Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome to my video. I am Puan Nordiana binti Ahmad from SK Camp Pengkalan Cepa, Kota Baru, Kelantan. Today I would like to share with you, teachers, one of my lesson that I carried out with my Year 6 pupils. Okay, the theme is World of Stories. The topic that I chose is How the Tiger Got Its Stripes. And the focus skill is listening. The content standard for this lesson is 1.1. By the end of the 6-year primary schooling, pupils will be able to pronounce words and speak confidently with the correct stress, rhythm, and intonation. For the learning standard, it is 1.1.1, able to speak with correct pronunciation, stress, and intonation. 1.1.2, able to listen to and respond confidently to a given stimulus by using appropriate words, phrases, and expressions with the correct stress and intonation. Okay, the learning objective. By the end of the lesson, pupils should be able to listen to a story, how the tiger got its stripes, and respond to a given stimulus. There are 2 success criteria in the lesson. First, pupils are able to talk about the characteristics of the tiger, buffalo, and farmer. The second one is pupils are able to listen to the story and sequence 5 pictures based on the story correctly. Okay, for cross-curricular elements, it is the values. Don't be proud and don't be cruel to animals. Okay, the teaching materials that I use in this lesson are jigsaw puzzles, video, which is the story, LCD, word cards, pictures, and manila cards. Okay, let's look at pre-lesson activity. It is planned for 5 minutes. The volunteers paste jigsaw puzzle on the board. And then, other pupils will guess what animals depict from the jigsaw puzzle. Okay, teacher can also guide the pupils to spell the words. Okay, for the lesson development activity, which is planned for 25 minutes, teacher will introduce the characteristics of the animals by showing picture cards. For example, the word brave, wise, proud, stripes, has stripes, and powerful. Okay, these are the picture cards that I use in the lesson. The words are strong and weak, wise, brave and coward, proud, powerful, stripes, and hardworking. Okay, it's story time. Then the pupils will listen to the story, how the tiger got its stripes. It is a simple story. Okay, then teacher guides pupils to name the characters and their characteristics after watching the video. And the volunteers will paste the word strips on the board according to the suitable characters in the story, which is the tiger, the water buffalo, and the farmer. For the post-lesson activity, it is planned for 20 minutes. Pupils get into group of 4 and they are given the bubble maps. At this stage, pupils listen to the story again, and then they will complete the bubble maps with the characteristics of the animals in the story. Then volunteers present their work in front of the class. Okay, this is the sample of bubble maps that I use in the lesson. Pupils have to paste the picture of a tiger and the water buffalo, and then they fill up the characteristics in the bubbles. For the second activity, in the post-lesson activity, also in the groups, pupils are given a set of pictures. Each pupil holds a picture and talks about it. They can use their own words to describe the pictures. They can use phrases or simple sentences. After that, pupils sequence the pictures based on the story and paste on the manila card. These are the pictures that I gave to the pupils. They have to sequence the pictures accordingly after they listen to the story. Okay, these are my students. They did this activity very well. They had so much fun. Okay, for closure activity, it is planned for 5 minutes. Pupils have to name other animals which have same characteristics as the animals in the story. They can use they can give other example of animal which is wise, strong, has stripes, and powerful. Okay, the last activity, before the teacher ends the lesson, teacher will tell pupils not to be proud and don't be cruel to animals. That is the moral of the story. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.